Why can't I stop sneezing? I'm Dr. Manan Shah. I'm an ENT and allergist with Wyndly Health, and I get asked this all the time. So typically, if you have allergies to something like dust or pollen or animal dander, when you breathe it into your nose, what's happening is your body is mistaking these harmless substances for something scary like a parasite or a bacteria. And what happens is it binds to cells in your immune system, and your immune system triggers a response that is a scared response. It's basically trying to get rid of these molecules. So the sneeze response is actually a way of getting those molecules back out of your nose. The good news is, if you want to fix your allergies, there's techniques called immunotherapy that can help you fix your allergy symptoms for the long term.